Hello, morning again. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review this Air Force Professional foam cannon. Bought this from AliExpress. Cost me £13 for around £19. I did a bit of a review on it yesterday and compared it to the original Air Force and the MJJC. After modifications, this can be made to be as good as the MJJC, and it costs you less than £20 with the filters to do that and the jet. So anyway, this is quite a nice piece of kit. It's different to any other foam cannons that I've seen. Box isn't great, but it doesn't make any difference, to be honest. It's flimsy, but who cares? That's the bit that goes in the bin. It says on it, fill the canister with warm water and add 2 to 4 ounces of liquid car wash, shampoo or soap. It works. Simple as that, it works. The instructions are pretty good. You've got all your parts itemised. You've got your troubleshooting should you get a problem, but it's not using tips. Fantastic instructions, to be honest with you. Better than some more expensive ones. Not only does it come with the instructions, it comes with 2 to 3 additional filters. They're like about £10 each for an MJJC. And a spare jet, which of course the MJJC comes with as well. Comes with a nice quarter fitting with an O-ring on, which is lovely. That screws it. Nice and oops, just screwing nice and easy, I promise you. I don't need to tighten it up, it doesn't leak. I've replaced unfortunately I've replaced this and I've lost the original. It's a flimsy thing that just flops and goes wrong. So this is £2 with a stainless steel end, but it does come with a stainless steel end. So just replace the rubber. It comes fitted with a 1.25 jet. Show that. It's good. It's accurate. 1.25. I have some jet gauges here. That's 1.25. That's a good, nice, tight fit. It's a proper 1.25. It's as good as an MJJC jet. It's a good jet. It also comes with a 1.1 jet, which also it fits. It's a proper jet like the MJJC, so it's quite nice. They're making accurate things. It's good value for money. The pot seems a bit flimsy. I'm not going to do a keeve and throw it at the floor. I don't want to break it. It might break if you dropped it from off the table if it was full of fluid, but I don't want to break it. So we'll look after it. Here's the nice piece, one of the nice pieces of it. It's got a brass body. That's not going to corrode in any way. It's going to last for a good while. The dial on the top is nicely labelled, and you've got where it says soap, an increase in soap and a decrease in soap, and it's a nice feel. It's got an O-ring on there. It's a nice feel. That works very nicely. Downside to it, well, one downside that I can see is there's no gasket on here. There's no O-ring, there's no gasket, there's nothing. But I think the reason for that is there are no breather holes on it. So if it can't breathe, it's going to try and suck this bottle in without it. So it needs a bit of something to let it breathe. So, but crikey, we're paying like less than £20 for something that's got all the features of something that can be £100. There's something else that it does. Just listen to this. Can you hear that? That's clicking. And look at this. This is another feature of it. This button here, if you press this button in and pull, it's the phone camera apart. No hammering with pins, no banging, no nothing. Straight apart. And there's the clicking. Got a nicely fitted ball bearing in there on a spring. And 6 indentations on the side there, so that when you turn it, it clicks and locks. That's like the, not the MJJC, the MTM PF22. And everybody raves about that being good quality in Italian, so that's another thing. I know it's a copy, but nevertheless, it works. This is quite decent. It's a little bit flimsy on the wafers, but it works. It's very smooth. This is thick, good quality plastic by the look of it. I don't know how you tell the quality of plastic without cracking it, breaking it. It's firm, it doesn't bend. It feels a better plastic than this. This is very, very well made. This is a good chunky piece of plastic. That's definitely not going to break. But I don't think this will break if you dropped it. It's got a nice, like a cam on it there, where it opens nicely. It's very, very smooth. It's very nicely put together. To change the filter on these, it's as simple as that. It's all O-ringed. O-ringed here, O-ringed here. Nicely made filters, fit together very well. Pop that in, line it up, press the button down, press your button down here, slip it on. That's it, we're done. Click, click. Wonderful. So, we'll show it going, shall we? Put the standard 1.25 jet in it. My cheap testing snow foam. You can use this 100% according to the instructions, or mix it 50-50 with water. I always mix it to the lowest ratio, so 50-50. So this is as weak as the manufacturer recommends. But it's great for testing. The amount I get through, crazy, and it's £2 a bottle. I'm not spending £10 a bottle to pour it all over the backyard. I haven't got money to burn, unless somebody wants to send me some. You're welcome. Right, here we go. This is on a Arva P80 Evolution. It's a 160 bar pressure washer. I'm just going to adjust that so that it's horizontal. Turn the foam to the maximum. Let's just make that a little bit wider. That's not bad foam, is it? Not bad at all. So, just demonstrate something else now, because I've done a bit of work with this. This can be made as good as the MJJC. So I'm going to give you this information with this. This is how it operates standard. Pretty good. It's not bad at all. I can't run the 1.1 jet in it because it's too small for my pressure washer. So the smallest jet that I can put in it. Is a 1.15, and that gives the best foam. I think I've swapped it out this bag for the 1.1, to be honest with you. Just need to check that. Check it with the jet gauges, because I never trust the accuracy of these. Nope, I haven't got the right jet. If you can just hang on for a second. Just hold it, please. Okay, back with you, sorry. 1.15 jet. There we go, don't know if you can see that. 1.15. That's a nice fit. That's the optimum jet for this. 1.1 surges, 1.15 doesn't. So now we're getting the maximum foam for the size of the orifice or jet. I always call them jets because I used to tune racing bike engines, and these are jets. People call them orifices because I think that's American, but whichever is what you put in the snow foam. Here we go, that's the walking stick just falling over. So here we go. That's MJJC foam from a Bear Force, 20 quid's worth. Don't know about you, but I'm quite pleased with that. Let me just show you how thick this is if we go to it. Look at this. How thick do you want it? Pretty good, isn't it? So I'll put links on so you know where to buy the bits from. It's dead easy to do. I've done the homework for you. All you need to do is to make sure that your pressure washer is not surging, and open your jet up until that point, and then you're at your maximum. Swap it for MJJC filters and your job done. You've got yourself, I'd say, the best snow foam gun on the market for pennies, or the cheapest you're going to get. You can do that with any. Buy any make you want and do exactly the same with it, I suppose. If somebody wants me to buy a different make and do it, let me know and I'll buy one and we'll put it on and do it. Okay, thanks for looking. Please subscribe if you don't mind. Thank you.